Hey, what's up, guys? You can see my hair is pretty messed up because I just took a bath and this is what it looks like when I don't blow dry it. Guys, I'm feeling a bit better. A bit. I'm not that congested anymore, so guys, I'll be able to make some more videos. And I'm glad I'm not sick anymore because I wanted to start a series, like a movie series. So I'll try to get with my family and see if they can act out some of the parts. But first, I want to do people introduction in my channel. I've done a house tour, but I haven't done that yet. You don't know anybody but my brothers. Well, you barely know my little brother, but you know my big brother. He was like in 2 videos. So guys, so I think the thing is gonna be about like mega plays. I don't know. Guys, put it down in the comments what we should make it all about. And no, please don't put it down in the comments zombies. I don't like zombies. Or the act out too. And I don't do the zombies voice. When I'm sick, I do good zombies voice. Listen. That's literally me when I'm growing. I don't know. I'm gonna try really hard to do a normal groan. It's hard. I got this one app. It's called The Voice for you to sing. I don't know if y'all know that song. I mean I'm trying to go on this song. That game. But I was trying to practice to get in like a party. You don't know what that is? I'll explain later. Maybe in another video. I don't know. And I was trying to sing, and my voice is like so rough. So I don't really want to get in a party anymore. So basically, what a party is, it's a bunch of live people. Like, let's say I was on a party right now. All people all over the world would be singing at the exact time I'm listening to them. So it's basically a live stream, but you get to sing. And you pick out a song, you cue it, you wait your turn. You're like singer auditions and all that stuff. So I was gonna get on this, but my voice is getting a bit better. I don't know if I sound different on camera, but I don't sound good in real life. Guys, I think I might make it about like famous person. I'm gonna be the main character, dude. Okay. I dropped the camera. Actually, don't let me down in the comments know who is going to be the main character. I don't know why. I'm just making like a vlog. It's like talking to camera about. Well, I'm talking to people, but this is not a live stream, so you don't get me, do you? Nobody gets me, to be honest with you. You're fine to not get me. What was I talking about? I forgot what I was talking about. Why? When that live stream, and after that I was talking. Oh my gosh. Guys, see? You don't get me. Oh, I remember that, but I don't remember what I was talking about before. I'm stupid. Guys, it's 4 minutes long. Longer than I expected it to be. I remember. Now put it down in the comments. I finally remember. Oh, what? I guess I'll see you later. I can't do my outro. So it's gonna be a little bit longer. It's about 5 minutes now. But listen to me try to do my outro. Bye. Bye. I can't get the high voice, but Bye-bye.